Hello class 3rd. Today we are going to study 14th chapter in our English literature. So the name of the chapter is Tom and Nick. So let us begin our chapter. Tom and Nick. Tom and Nick were two brothers. They lived on the ground floor of a big house. It was the first day of the winter vacation. In the morning, Tom and Nick's parents noticed some problem with the refrigerator. They informed the repairers. Now, one day, what had happened? John and Nick were the two brothers, and they were living in the second floor of a big house, and they were having their winter vacation, and it was the first day. And in the morning, their parents noticed that there is some problem with the refrigerator, so they called a repairer. Chaman and Jagan were notorious thieves. They had just been released from the jail. They were passing by the house of the Tom and Nick when they heard their parents talking about repair of the refrigerator. They planned to rob the house. Now, what had happened? Chaman and Jagan were the two thieves that were come from the jail, and they were passing through the house, and when they listened that their parents are talking about the repairing of the refrigerator, so they planned to rob their house. After some time, the two thieves saw two men going outside the house. Chaman and Jagan asked them, "Have you come here to repair the refrigerator?" The man nodded. Now, they were noticing their house, and one man was going from their house, so they asked him that you come for repair the refrigerator. So the man said no. Chaman and Jagan took them aside and beat them up. Then they put on other dresses and went inside the house. The parents, Tom and Nick, showed Chaman and Jagan their refrigerator. After that, the parents became busy in their work. Okay, so what had happened? They wear some other clothes, and they went to their parents and said that we are coming here to prepare your refrigerator. So Chaman and Jagan's parents showed them a refrigerator, and after that, when they start repairing, their parents become very busy. Tom and Nick were closely watched Chaman and Jagan's work. They noticed that the two men, instead of paying attention to their work, were looking at the valuables of the room greedily. Now, Tom and Nick were seeing that man. They were noticing that instead of repairing the refrigerator, he is busy in looking the important thing in our room very greedily. So, after some time, the two thieves got into the toilet and tried to listen to the conversation between the parents of Tom and Nick. They heard that the two were going out in the evening, leaving the children in the house. Thus, they decided that evening would be the right time for them to carry out their act. Now, what had happened that their parents they were going into the toilet, and they were listening the conversation of their parents. So they were discussing that in the today's evening we will go for we will go outside, leaving the children at home. So they decided that that will be the right time to carry out the things from the house. Around 7 p.m., Nick's parent went out. Before leaving the house, they told the children to be careful, not to touch the electric fittings, and finish their homework. Now, in the approx 7 p.m., Nick's parents went outside, and they told their parents that be ready with your homeworks, finish all your homeworks, and do not touch the electric fittings, etc., etc., as Mama told when she moves out from the house. So, Chaman and Jagan left the house saying that they were going to get some tools to repair the refrigerator. They returned after Nick's parents not opened the door. had left the house. They pressed the calling bell, but Tom and Nick did not open the door. Chaman and Jagan were looking for some other way to get into the house. Suddenly, they found the terrace door open. They got onto the terrace. Now, what had happened when Chaman and Jagan's parents left? When Nick's parents left, so Chaman and Jagan left the house. They were already left the house, saying that that we are going to bring some tools to repair the refrigerator. So when the Nick's parents had left the house, so they pressed the calling bell, but Tom and Nick did not open because her mother told him that don't open the doors also. So suddenly they found the terrace door open, so they get onto the terrace. And after that, the terrace was quite high for them to climb, but somehow they managed it. It was around 8 o'clock when they got into the inside the house. They wanted to start work. They work very quickly, but Chaman dropped a vase from the table. Now what had happened that they were they were at 8 o'clock when they get inside. So what had happened, they started their work, but Chaman dropped a vase from the table. And Tom and Nick were watching television when they heard the noise. Both were scared. Tom was so scared that he fainted. Nick managed to put him on the bed. Then he can run to the terrace and shouted, "Help, help, there's a thief in our house." Now what had happened, Tom and Nick were watching the television when they heard the sound. So they were very scared. They were fear. After that, Tom was fear as much as he can possible, and he fainted. And Nick managed to put him onto the bed. And after that, Nick ran to the terrace and shouted, "Help, help! There's a thief in our house." Chaman and Jagan heard Nick shouting. They became nervous and jumped out from the window. Soon they were caught by the people and taken to the police station. Okay, when Chaman and Jagan were very nervous when they heard the sound of Nick shouting. So what they do? Soon they jumped out from the window and they were caught by the people, and people taken them to the police station. And 9 o'clock, when the Tom's and Nick's parents returned from the home, they heard everything and praised Tom and Nick for their courage and promised never to leave them again alone in the house. Now at 9 o'clock, when their parents come home, so they all come to know about the story. So they praise their ward's courage, Tom and Nick. After that, they promise them that they will never leave them alone at home. Okay, read the story thoroughly. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.